Blackhawk. There's a helicopter, look.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Wait, do I? I didn't realize I had a kill. I guess it was that purple guy who just ran off, I guess.
He's doing some circles.
Oh, dude, there's that.
What's it doing? Yeah, probably. I don't know, could have been. Well, that was pretty crazy.
That's why he flew so low right here.
Mm-hmm.
Get your shoes on.
Okay. Wow, that was kind of a surprise, wasn't it? Well, just sometimes just something like that randomly shows up. And that was now. Anyways, that is it. Goodbye.